Good morning, class EASC 1107. Today we're going to talk about mechanical engineering and their subdisciplines: automotive, mechanical systems, thermal, HVAC, and aerospace.
Mechanical engineering alone as a branch deals with design, construction, and the use of machines. Mechanical engineering is basically the backbone of general industries, as today's society is basically run off of machines. Engineers in this field start their work off in an office environment. They meet with other professionals such as company executives, marketing, sales, and other types of engineers to gather the requirements for a design project.
For mechanical engineers, an annual salary is roughly around $80,000. Their number of jobs that are available now are around 200,000 with an annual growth of 5%. So as you see, it's a very abundant field to major in.
Automotive engineering is a branch of mechanical engineering that deals with the manufacturing of various automobiles. A few examples of these automobiles are boats, buses, trucks, SUVs, cars, and motorcycles. You can see these examples throughout your community and our society wherever you may go. It is evident that automotive engineering plays a big part in our society today. Without automotive engineering, production in different industries would not be as productive as it is today.
Systems engineering, another branch under mechanical engineering, is an interdisciplinary approach and means to enable the realization of successful systems. In other words, it takes different parts of different fields in the mechanical engineering field, puts them together to create one cohesive system. It focuses on defining customer needs and required functionality early in the development cycle, then proceeding with design synthesis and system validation while considering the complete problem. Salaries for senior system engineers, for example, in the United States, are generously with an average pay above six figures, roughly around $98,000 to $100,000 US. They also occasionally have a bonus check around $15,000 as well. System engineering integrates all the disciplines and specialty groups into a team effort, forming a structured development process that proceeds from concept to production to operation. System engineering also considers both the business and the technical needs for all customers with the goal of providing a quality product that meets the user's needs.
So an aerospace engineer, their job is to research, design, develop, and they maintain and test the performance of aircrafts, missiles, weapon systems, satellites, and more, such as national defenses. Aerospace engineers normally work within the government, or they work in offices, manufacturing buildings, anywhere of such. It's kind of a broad topic, and pretty much in order to be an aerospace engineer, you just have to have the degree coming out of college, or even any type of discipline of engineering that is related to such, like mechanical engineering. Some locations that they work at are offices, factory production hangars, some laboratories, and also they travel a lot, so they could also be outside a lot to test on missiles, aircrafts, etc. Their normal salary ranges from around $57,000 to around $124,000, with an average mean of $103,000 a year. Some big companies in aerospace engineering would be Boeing, Northrop Grumman, NASA, anything of that type. They could also work in smaller firms that require any type of aerospace system or aeronautical system.
Thermal systems engineering involves a multitude of different aspects with combustion, heat transfer energy, chemistry, and physics. It's one of the most involved branches of engineering because it deals with the world's basic problems, which is solar energy, global warming, technological heating control systems. Jobs are available all over the country, all over the world, and they can involve HVAC, heating and cooling systems, transportation and space travel, heat transfer control, and even simple household heat control systems for household appliances. Salaries really range, depending on the job, from $65,000 a year to $150,000 a year. Professional societies that thermal engineers are involved with are the ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineering, SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers, and even the SME, the Society of Manufacturing Engineers.
An HVAC engineer's responsibilities can include the design, installation, maintenance, and repair of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, cooling, and refrigeration systems. HVAC engineers can design systems for residential, industrial, institutional, and commercial buildings, including schools, office buildings, and healthcare facilities. HVAC engineers may meet directly with clients, work with engineering colleagues like management, installers, and repair technicians. They can design new systems or find solutions for existing system problems and prepare estimates. HVAC engineers can work for consulting or design firms, government agencies, facility offices, or HVAC equipment sales offices.